Hello, how to solve this is t power 3 over 2 equals 2 power 3 over 2. Solving for all values of t that satisfy this equation. So we can factor 3 from here and 3 from here. This is t power 3 times 1 over 2 equals 2 power 3 times 1 over 2. A power n times m equals a power n to the power of m. Applying this here, and this also equals a power m to the power of n. So applying that here, we have t power 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 2 power 1 over 2 to the power of 3. If you have a power 1 over 2, this equals square root of a. So this becomes square root of t power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3. We move this over here. A square root of t power 3 minus square root of 2 power 3 equals 0. Now, if you have a power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. This is my a, this is my b, so I'm going to have root t minus root 2 times root t power 2 plus root t times root 2 plus root 2 power 2 equals 0. From here, I put t minus root 2 times this cancel this. I have t plus this multiplies out. This is square root of 2t plus this cancel this up to, and this equals 0. So we equate each of these to 0. Have root t minus root 2 equals 0, or t plus root 2t plus 2 equals 0. Now to solve this first one here, I move this over here. This is root t equals root 2, square root cancels square root. That means t equals 2. This is my t1. Now we also solve this for the other values of t. And I move this and this over. Half square root of 2t equals negative 2 minus t. I take the squares. This cancel this. I have 2t equals, I expand this. Negative 2 minus t times negative 2 minus t. So we have 2t equals, this is 4. This time this is 4. This time this is plus 2t. This time this is plus 2t. This time this is plus t squared. So this is 2t equals 4 plus 4t plus t squared. We move this over here. We have 0 equals 4 plus 4t plus t squared minus 2t. 4t minus 2t, that is 2t. We have 0 equals 4 plus 2t plus t squared. This becomes a quadratic equation that we are going to solve. So we have t squared plus 2t plus 4 equals 0 by rearranging it. Now let's solve this using the formula method of t equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. A equals 1, which is the coefficient of t squared. B equals 2, which is this 2 here. And c equals 4, which is the 4 here. of t equals -2 plus or minus b squared. This is 2 power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 4 divided by 2 times 1. From here, I have t equals -2 plus or minus square root of this is 4 minus 16 divided by 2. So from here, t equals -2 plus or minus square root of -12 divided by 2. This is t equals -2 plus or minus this minus here. We have square root of -1 times square root of 12 divided by 2. And what you should know is that this is I, so we have t equals -2 plus or minus I times square root of 12, which is 4 times 3 divided by 2. T equals -2 plus or minus I times square root of 4 times square root of 3 divided by 2. So from here, t equals -2 plus or minus I times this will give us 2. And this is divided by 2. 2 cancels 2, which is -1 plus or minus I root 3. Now we have two complex values for t. We have t2 equals -1 plus I root 3. We also have t3 equals -1 minus I root 3. These are the two complex values, and remember, we also have one real value for t, which is t equals 2 here. So if you want to check, you make use of the real value of t to check by inserting it right here. You have check. Meanwhile, your t is 2. You have t power 3 over 2 equals 2 power 3 over 2. And your t is 2, so you insert it right here. You have 2 power 3 over 2 equals 2 power 3 over 2. This side and this side are the same, or you can simply apply this. You have a power n times n equals a power n to the power of m. And this equals if you apply it here, the n root of a power m. That means if you have a power n over m, a power n over n equals to the m root of a power n. This equals the m root of a power n, so you apply it here. That means this 2 becomes the square root of 2 power 3 equals square root of 2 power 3. Right? Applying it here, so this becomes square root of 2 power 3 is 8 equals square root of 8. So guys, this is just to show that the answer is correct. There's not much deal there. That's it. Thank you and goodbye.